Mrs. Bowtie and I have a huge project coming up in a couple months, and you'll notice our production schedule is going to be a little hinky for about the next 90 days, so bear with us as we try to get things produced and get things out. We have this big project. Hopefully we'll have some video content from the project, and that will be exciting. On top of this project coming up for Mrs. Bowtie and I, as a handyman, I have a huge project that I'm working on right now. It's taking a lot of my time. There are experiments. We have all kinds of stuff going on that I'm very excited about. I have a feeling that for about the next 90 days, we're going to have some scheduling hinkiness. Let's just put it like that. So, and bear with us as we get through these next two huge projects. Project for Mrs. Bowtie and I, we have actually been planning on for a number of years. We're hoping that we can get it done this time.